Hi everyone, it's Sunday, November 25th, time for another HideNet Week in Review. I'm Vice President Vera Dordick. From Italy this week, European editor Andrea Guolo tells us that the good news was that prices were generally stable. Cows are in a more stable situation right now, although other selections are seeing some weakness. In addition, certain types of veal skins are selling at a premium of about €1 more than standard varieties. In the UK, although the tensions of the past week have settled, continuing strained relations with the EU could still have further impact on the leather trade, so that remains to be seen. Andrea also details some changes in demand and lays out what we can expect from now until the end of the year, so you'll want to read his report and assessment. In the United States, it was a short week because of the Thanksgiving holiday, which is technically on Thursday, but for a lot of people extends to Friday as well. Sales through the close of business Wednesday were fairly active, still with mixed prices though. Sellers had to take lower bids in order to move their hides this week. And once again, if you look at the export report for the previous week, slaughter is still outstripping sales and shipments. Next week, we'll see how the holiday shortened week fared as far as the slaughter level versus sales in the next one. Taking a look at heavy Texas steers, prices fluctuated. From the early week, sales were as high as $32, but by the holiday, price levels have dropped to $29.50 and $30 on seasonal averages. Finally, in our market observations, Don looks back at another time when prices were this low, what happened then, and what might be signals for the current situation. From Latin America, editor Ronald Guiel says that the situation was quiet this week and that raw material prices remained stable, as did TR1. In other news from Brazil, we have reports on the results of the Zero Grau footwear and accessories fair that is gaining importance, and it showed good results. Elsewhere in Latin America, Argentina's big news is that President Macri has pledged to cut the tax on leather from 10% to 5% by the end of the year. In Colombia, some tanneries have been closed, and one faces a large fine for polluting the Bogota River. And then from Mexico, we have reports on Indian representatives visiting Guanajuato to develop business ties, and another report from Panama on that country's spat with Colombia and the latest move over footwear tariffs. That's all we have for this week, and until next Sunday, good night from HideNet.